Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUSD coin. Now, the proposal for Terra Classic to destroy, to burn at least its remaining supply is really going on, especially on Twitter. Now, Terra Classic have continued to drop in values in the past few days, and also on price and market cap. This is really affecting Terra Classic growth. Not now. The proposal for Terra Classic, to at least the crypto expert and some Terra Classic community has been at least posting on different social media that they need this coin to at least burn the remaining supply, because remember the 1.2% tax burn was actually meant to destroy these coins, but right now that 1.2% tax burn is not really burning much. Now some people have actually proposed that if Terra Classic for now can destroy the remaining supply, it's going to be great, because now our circulating supply is about 1,880,000,000 coins. That is our circulating supply, and the Terra Classic supply is about 6.8 million and 8,030,000 Terra Classic coins is there. That means over 6.8 trillion coins, and we have about 5.8. So if Terra Classic can decide right now to destroy, to burn the remaining supply, I think it is going to help Terra Classic. Even though Terra Classic is able to burn just 1 trillion coins, this is going to bring a better impact for Terra Classic. And I believe that that this coin is one of the best coins, but for me, I think burning Terra Classic coin more is going to help this coin, and also destroying the remaining supply of Terra Classic right now, because our hope for 1.2% tax burn, though these are continuing, of course they continue to burn, but we mean before this can really burn a lot of coins, it's going to take a very long period of time. This is why we hope if Terra Classic can start a mass destruction, if they can start at least by burning, by destroying at least the remaining supply of Terra Classic, it's going to bring more changes, it's going to bring more better news, it's going to bring a lot of things for Terra Classic coin. Now please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.